You can read hiragana, but the moment kanji appears in a full sentence, your brain just freezes, right? If that sounds like you, stay with me. I will show you a simple way to break any kanji and 5-style sentence into one simple formula, so you can understand the whole sentence without panic, even if you don't know every kanji. I'm Hassan from LingoAsia. My secret weapon. I call it the Venom Formula. Venom means verbal and nominal. Nominal is the things, people, places, and ideas. In Japanese, this side is usually kanji heavy. Verbal is the action side, the part of sentence that move like mas, ta, nai, te, iru. This side is often hiragana heavy. So here's our first simple example. Sentence 1 is Nihongo benkyoshimasu. It means I study Japanese. On the nominal side, we have Nihongo, Japanese language. On the verbal side, we have benkyoshimasu, to study. When you look at the sentence, don't start from the left and panic at every kanji. Use Venom. First, find the verb benkyoshimasu, the study action. After you see that, everything before it's nominal information. Nihongo, Japanese as the object. So in your head, you can think Japanese study. You didn't translate kanji one by one. You used Venom to place them into rules. Now let's make it a little bigger with time and place. Sentence 2 is ashita. Gakko de Nihongo benkyou shimasu. It means tomorrow I will study Japanese at school. Again, use Venom. The nominal side has ashita, tomorrow, which is time word. Gakko de, at school, which is a place word. And Nihongo, Japanese language, the object. The verbal side has benkyou shimasu, to study. The order from your brain is always the same. First, find the action, benkyou shimasu, study. Then add the nominal chunk around it. When, ashita, tomorrow. Where, gakko de, at school. What, Nihongo, Japanese. Now you can understand the whole sentence even if you don't remember exactly how to write each kanji. You only need to understand their rules. Let's try one more with past tense verb and more kanji. Sentence 3 is kino, tomodachi to egao mimashita. It means yesterday I watched a movie with my friend. Here's the Venom breakdown. On the nominal side, we have kino, yesterday, a time word. Tomodachi to, with a friend, a person word plus the particle to. And egao, movie, the object. On the verbal side, we have mimashita, watch, which is the past tense of miru, to see. Again, start with the verbal core, mimashita, watch. Then ask, when? Kino, yesterday. With who? Tomodachi to, with friend. What? Egao, movie. So your brain puts it together as yesterday with a friend, movie, watch. That's the power of Venom. You are not reading every kanji perfectly. You are understanding the sentence by its structure. If this video helped you feel easier when you see full Japanese sentences, please like this video so much more learner can find it. Subscribe to LingoAsia if you want more logical shortcut like this for Japanese and other ASEAN languages. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.